because your girl is going on a vacation. Yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing fine. So, guys, this morning I'm going to the market. I need to go and get some things actually. So, I'll be taking you guys along with me. I need to get some certain things in the market. So, I'll take you guys along with me. This is going to be a market vlog actually. So, you guys should get ready. Get ready to see Nigerian market. I'm going to Yaba market actually, so I'll be taking you guys, along and see the surroundings of the market, blah blah blah. Okay, so market vlog, but something happened. I could not actually vlog. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Yesterday I went to the market and I was so excited. I was so tired by the time I come back. I could not even vlog because I had to go with my baby, and there's a lot of things I actually bought and all because your girl is going on a vacation. Yeah, I'm going on vacation, traveling to Kenya, and I'll be taking you guys along with me. You guys, seriously, I need this vacation. Like seriously, I just need to unwind and just rest and have fun, and I'll be taking you guys along with me, and let's see how it goes. Today I'll be packing my clothes, the things I would be taking with me. So you guys, we're gonna do the packing together. Yeah, and I'll be taking you guys along with me on the trip. You'll be seeing Kenya from my lens, you guys. So that's it. I'm still looking tired, Seth. I just woke up actually, and I want to do some things, some laundry. Then I'll be packing my things because I have today to pack. I'll be traveling in 3 days' time. I'll be going to work Monday, Tuesday. So by Wednesday, that's the day I'm traveling. That's the day my flight is moving. So I'll be preparing everything today because it's a weekend today. So by Wednesday I'll be traveling, but I'll be going to work Monday, Tuesday. Then I'll be traveling on Wednesday. That's my leave will be starting on Wednesday. So I'll take you guys along with me. Let's pack together. Let's prepare for this trip. I'm so excited, guys. You won't just know because I just woke up and I'm kind of looking tired. This day was stressful. I had to get some certain things in the house. Oh, and I'm still very tired, you guys. So I'll see you guys when I'm packing.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade
At this point, we just finished checking in, and we are just trying to eat something because we're very hungry, and we're just trying to eat something before we board. So we just finished eating here, and we are going to the boarding gate to go and board our flight. Although we didn't board immediately, but we still have to sit down for some time. But along the line, we eventually board. So this is us going to the boarding gate to go and board. Look at how this place is beautiful. And here we are about going into the flight. There's a queue actually, so we are just going in little by little, and decided to just film the way we entered into the flight. We're just so excited. Is welcome, ekabo. They wrote it in different languages: ekabo, umbo, unwa, abi, what's all this? So this is us just boarding into the flight. So you guys enjoy.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Point, guys, we're already in the air, and we're about to fly now. Like, we're about to eat now, not fly. We're about to eat now. We're served this delicious meal. This is couscous and the cookies. I also opted for water and orange juice. This is couscous actually, and we served cookies, and I opted for rice and chicken, which was very delicious. You guys, Ethiopian Airways, forget, their food is really nice, especially when you opted for the chicken and rice. And the rice is like a basmati rice, which I really enjoyed, and we're given the crackers as well, which also tastes nice. This is an unsalted butter, which you can use to eat your donuts. The donuts also taste nice because there's some chicken inside as well, which makes it, and it was very fluffy, which I really enjoyed. I'm about opening the rice. You guys, look at that, look at that. Like, you guys, I really enjoyed this rice and chicken, and they also add some spices which you can decide to add if you want or not, which I added to mine. And I added the salt, and this is me eating it. Like, you guys, I really enjoyed it. Their food is just very okay.
At the festival that we met.
Something here, guys. You guys, my first time of tasting this couscous, and tasted weird, and Obi was just laughing at me with the look on my face like, what is this? But actually, guys, when I mixed it with the rice, it was actually okay, and I enjoyed it. But me tasting it for the first time, something you've not really tasted before, taking it for the first time, you would want to to try and understand the taste before you now start digesting. I don't know if you guys
Flights to wherever, I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
guys, you guys, at this point we have to wait on the queue to actually be passed to pass through immigration. Then we'll be moved to our hotel for throughout the night for our layover, because we still have to catch another flight to Kenya the next day. So one thing I love about this airport is they have hotel for travelers where you can sleep overnight for your layover, and is a way of increasing tourism in their country, which is a nice concept, because you get to see a little bit of their country during your transit. Very, very, very good way of improving their tourism and making people visit their country, which is so nice. So you guys enjoy the views.
Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So guys, we are in Ethiopia right now, and our flight to Kenya will be tomorrow. So right now we just have to lodge in airport hotel. It was already arranged with our flight. So right now I'll be doing the hotel room tour, just for you to see how the hotel is like. It's a very nice hotel, Afelech Hotel, and so far I've been enjoying my stay. It's actually till tomorrow morning when we now book our flight to Kenya. But right now we are in Ethiopia, and I'm actually enjoying this vacation.
Met at where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine.
Guys, I'll be doing the room tour with you guys from the door to the TV. Just look at this, like very massive hotel, very big, and enjoyable. We really enjoyed our stay, throughout the night. The lightning, everything, their service, they're very welcoming. We really enjoyed our stay. If you guys are traveling, maybe you should just try Ethiopia Airline, especially when you're going on vacation, probably to Kenya or to any other African country. Their service is top notch. Their food, their everything. The rate of tourism in their country is very, very massive and very, very, nice. Just give it a try. Nah. So guys, see the view from the room that we have, because the building is actually very high. You can see the street, the view of the street, and see the toilet. There's a chair in the rooms like an suit. There's a chair. See the toilet. There's a towel to use. There's air dryer in case you're washing your hair. There's shampoo. You can wash your hair and dry it with the air dryer. And this is the shower bar, the shower. Very, very nice. There's a towel there, very nice and clean. And you guys, we really enjoyed our stay through the night, and it felt like should we just start our vacation in this country already? But it was really very nice. Yeah, they have a customized towel which has the name of the hotel on it, which is really nice as well. Nice. This is the body lotion. We have a soap here as well. And in case you want to dry your hair, there's a dryer. Wow, this is nice.
Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
Sweet.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. Face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else as we close. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out intentions. I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. That we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else. At least it's still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
You said what?
You in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least it's still with you. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.